G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's December 6, 2023. This is the Bitcoin price update. Haven't done an update for a number of days now, but you'll notice the price has pretty much skyrocketed in the last few days, in fact the last week or two. So I'll go through each of these in a bit more detail. I've got the weekly is in still a slightly bullish momentum, well a bullish momentum I should say, not a slight bullish momentum. The CCI, and that's our trend indicator, the CCI 150 hour divergence indicator is showing no real sign of a pullback or a divergence, but it did have a couple of bearish divergence back here. That's where the price did fall off in those two instances. On the daily, we look at the same indicators. The CCI 400 is still pretty strong in an uptick, although there is a bearish divergence on the CCI 150. Now you'll notice since our last video on this dotted line, we drew this Fibonacci range. So that high is just below that entry point, so it's still a valid divergence. I'm going to move that there, and that means this Fibonacci range now can go up to that level. So we're going to just move that over to there, and that's pretty much in line with that 38% level. That's our new retrace target level. Now, so again, that's on a daily. You'll notice that if that breaks above that entry, as I said, it'll invalidate the divergence, and that most likely will see a break above this resistance at 44,480. But at the moment, you can see there, it's just starting to develop a small bearish candle, but nothing too significant yet. Now, I do show the hourly charts here, and I just had a message or a feedback from one of my viewers saying, why don't I show a 4-hour time frame in addition to? I appreciate that, guys, but I can't show you every time frame for every want and need out there. What I'm showing you here basically is to trade whatever time frame you choose. You can trade the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 5 minute, and then obviously using the larger time frames as a guide or as a trend. So in this case, I'm just using this as an example. So what I'm asking you to do is to use this methodology. And if you're trading the 4 hourly, of course, change this to a 4-hour time frame and apply the trend on the weekly and daily. Or if you're going to use the 5 minute, then I'd suggest you use maybe the 1 hour as a trend indicator if you want to, scalp and trade in those lower time frames. So really, that's up to you. And I'm not telling you how to do it. I'm just giving you the methodology, and you can choose whatever suits you. So again, everyone's got a different need. So again, just going back to the Bitcoin price. Sorry for that little lecture. Just hopefully that helps clarify why I'm using the 1 hour. You don't have to use the 1 hour. You can use whatever time frame you want. But on the 1 hour time frame here, you can see there's another bearish divergence on the CCI 150 versus the price. And you'll also notice there's a bearish divergence also on the CCI 400, which is our trend indicator. But notice also you'll see the moving averages starting to break to the downside. So that could be a start of a new fresh break and a retrace to the downside. So again, if it does break down between that Fibonacci range, we're looking at a 38% retrace level for it to work, and that's in that range there between 39,867 and 37,011. So hopefully that's helped in terms of also understanding how I choose the lower time frames. That's just a bit of a range to look at it that way. So hopefully that's helped. If you got any value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.